Friends, today we are going to learn the constructions related to semicircles, and the first question is on what is that? Equilateral triangle. So given things are only one here, one side 5 centimeter long. So what is the type of question? So how the question is designed in your question papers? Listen it carefully. Draw an equilateral triangle of side 5 centimeter long. Okay, and then inscribe in it 3 equal semicircles, each to touch one side of the triangle and their diameters to the adjacent. Understand? So we have to draw a equilateral triangle first. For that, draw a line and take 5 centimeter on that. This much. That is A and B. You can give the name BC too. So we need one more point to complete our equilateral triangle. And equilateral means all the sides are having same length. We know that. So taking this much length only. Keep your pointer at B and draw an arc like this, and then keep the pointer on point A. You get one more arc, and the crossing point give you the exact point. What you expect? Just join them. So friends, in this way we have our equilateral triangle A, B and C. So when we have to divide these angles, or we have to draw a perpendicular on each line AB, BC and AC. What you like most, you do that. So keep your So in this way, keeping your compass on each point, draw all these 3 arcs. You will get 2 points, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Using that points, taking sufficient distance in your compass, draw arcs again. This way we get one common point. and join that new point with each center point. Check it out first and then join them. So well, we get here 1, 2, 3 kite shape. Understand? And we know that how to draw circles inside. But today we are trying half circles here. For that, we have to do one more step. So give your attention here. Look at this angle. 90-degree angle. So let name here. Let this point may be M. So CMB. Look at this angle. This angle is 90-degree. We have to divide this angle. Understand? So again, use your compass. So you will get 2 points here. Take sufficient distance in your compass and draw arcs. Keep the pointer on the next point in this way. We get one common point. Simply join that common point to the point M. So we get here one more point crossing this line, and name it. Suppose it is E1. Okay, and this center point we call it as O. Well, we get one point E1 and we need here E2 and E3. So how to get them? For that, we need one perpendicular here. So friends, simply this shape is one separate kite, so we need that time what I say just that is perpendicular, but here instead of that we can use this much distance, this much, from center O to point E. This much. Look at this and try to draw a circle. Automatically we get E2 point and E3 point. Understand? Because this circle crosses in this way, this point E2 and this one E3, we get these 3 points. Let's join them. we get one more quadrilateral here inside, understand, and we also get one new point in the middle. Watch it carefully. This one, and this one, these are all our center points. So let's name them O1, then here O2 and O3. So using that 3 points as a center O1 as a center, taking this much O1 to E1, this much as radius, draw a half circle. I cannot see it properly. Well, yes, okay. In this way, we can draw one half circle like this, E2 to O2. The same distance we need because it is a equilateral triangle, so all the lengths are equal only, so no need to check out many times. Simply keep your compass properly and draw half circles. You can see 3 half circles properly. Look at this carefully. 1, 2 and 3, all these circles touches the equilateral sides and each other also, understand. In this way we finish this construction. So come to the next one. The equilateral is very small, that's why we have some difficulties to complete it. So let's try one more. If we have a pentagon, so friends, again we have to draw 4 half semicircles in a quadrilateral, and one side is given, only one side is given, and we know quadrilateral, that means all the sides are having same length. So we have here 4 given things like that. So start our construction. Take 6 semi AB side, it's always moving, so it's better to draw a line. One and 6, this much. Well, name it A and B. 6 semi long. Okay, 6 semi long. So draw a quadrilateral first. So take this much distance, and using these 2 points, draw like this. And we need one perpendicular to, or we can using our protractor getting 90 degree. Both the sides, or draw a perpendicular. When we join them, this line crosses this and we get a quadrilateral. but to show our instructions we draw here perpendiculars. So, for that we need a long length. So in this way, using two methods, we can draw quadrilateral. So we get here one common point. When we join them, in this way, and take 6 centimeter. We already taken that distance, this much. Taken. So simply join it. This is our quadrilateral. So draw diagonals. So joining the corners, we get diagonals. You know that. Like this. Again we need one more cosine. For that, divide this length, AB length, or this one. So take half and more distance in your compass, and using the end points, draw like that arcs. You will get one common point. Simply join that point to that center point here. This way. In this way we get all the 4 parts. This point is A, B, C and D, and the center point is considered as O. So look at this angle O. Let's name here M, O, M, B. Again we get one angle here, right angle it is, you know that. So let's divide it first. we get one new point. Join that new point to point M. This way. So we get one point here. And what is that? That is the diagonal of this small square. So no need to divide that angle. Simply draw the diagonals of small squares like that. You will get. So this distance, this angle divider crosses this diagonal, small diagonal. Okay, here, and we get one more point. Understand? So using that distance OA, we can draw a circle, and that circle crosses the diagonals, and we get these points. Or drawing that diagonals, we get the same point. So no need to draw circle. Simply join all the joint points, the center points. Join them well. In this way. So we can understand that the quadrilateral having two types of different methods. We can use different two methods here to draw the half circles. This is our regular method I use here. In this way we get half circles. Something wrong. Don't remove the stick. Check out the distance again. The distance, a minor wrong mistake happens here. So don't worry. When you use a pointed pencil, there is no mistake. This construction is same like the construction in quadrilateral triangle. So it is quadrilateral. Now use semicircle sector. So here we have only two things. One is angle 30 degree and radius 5 semi. So let's draw a sector first, and after that try to inscribe in it a half circle. Okay, so for that draw one line like that, and considering this point as A, keep your compass here. sorry, what we say, protractor, and count 30 degree here. 0, 10, 20 and 30, this much. This is our sector and 5 centimeter long. So take 5 centimeter in your compass. Place your pointer at point A and draw an arc. So this is our sector. Let's name it A, B and C. So we have to draw a half circle here touching all the sides 1, 2 and 3. So what to do for that? We have to divide this angle first. Understand? So let's divide it, and we know how to divide the angle. Very simple it is. In this way we need the same distance to the both sides. Using that same distance, take sufficient distance in your compass like this. Draw up. You will get one common point. After joining this common point to A, we can divide easily our cone. What is that? Angle it is. In Marathi we call it as cone. So we can divide this angle BAC. Okay, and this angle is 30 degree. It is given to you in your question. Okay, well, now what to do again? So friends, here name this point to point D. So well, we need at point D one perpendicular. So how to draw that perpendicular? What is it? Okay, we need a perpendicular touching on this arc at point D. So simply use that point D like this. Mark both the sides. Well, wet. In this way we get same distance. So taking sufficient distance in our compass, draw arcs. It is here. In this way both the sides. We get again two new points. When we join them, we get automatically a perpendicular touching that point D. And we use this procedure in previous constructions like this. Okay, well, we get now here one right angle, 90 degree angle, and we have to divide it. All the constructions are same, remember it well. So for divide that angle we need two common distance both the sides in this way, and using that distance take sufficient distance in your compass and draw arcs both the sides. Oh well, keep it properly. Yes, I do it. Now we get a common point. Simply join that new point to point D. This way. a line passing like this, understand, and we get a new point here crossing line BC, this one, and that point is, let's name it, it is, suppose it is N. Okay, this point is N. Now what to do? So how to get this point? This is very small in length, no? This much, dn, this much distance is the same this side also, you know that. Here, and when we join that points, we get one line, straight line, join them properly, check it out in this way. So this may be M and this may be O. Okay, so friends, in this way we get our radius automatically. Consider this O point as a center, then distance M or N both are same. Draw simply a semicircle here in this way. Well, wet. Its distance is very small, so I have some difficulties here. Very small it is, so carefully, carefully do it. This way. In this way, all the questions are designed like that. Draw semicircles inscribed in square or in sector or in equilateral triangle or in polygon like pentagon or hexagon or in any circle. The questions are not so different, simply the shapes are different, outer shapes are different. So you have to divide that outer shape in equal parts. You will get one right angle triangle there. Simply divide that right angle triangle, and when we divide right angle only, when we divide that right angle crosses the diagonals, we get a center point, and using that center point we can easily draw half circles in any shape. Understand? The procedure is same everywhere, so practice it well at home. In this way we will stop here, and we already complete all the syllabus related to geometry. Now in the next period we will try another subject. Till then, good day, goodbye, and take care.